Welcome to Section 5, where we will cover sanitizing food contacts and utensil surfaces. Utensils and food contact surfaces must be cleaned and sanitized before use, between different food types, and any time contamination may occur. Cleaning removes residue, while sanitizing uses heat or chemicals to reduce microorganisms to safe levels. Approved sanitizing methods include thermal sanitization. For manual operations, immerse items in 171 degrees Fahrenheit water for at least 30 seconds in a 3-compartment sink. For mechanical operations, the utensil surface must reach 160 degrees Fahrenheit with a gauge reading of 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Chemical sanitizing can be done by immersion in a 3-compartment sink, using mechanical dishwashing equipment, or sanitizing in place. Always follow manufacturer instructions and approved food code parameters for chemical sanitizers. Sanitizer concentration must be verified using a test kit. Approved chemical sanitizers include chlorine, quaternary ammonium, quats, and iodine. Effectiveness depends on water temperature, proper pH, and water hardness. Solutions must be kept clean and changed as needed. The 3-compartment sink method involves washing in water at 110 degrees Fahrenheit or hotter, rinsing, and then sanitizing with chemical solutions at the correct concentration and a minimum temperature of 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Always finish by air drying. The 4 steps for the 3-compartment sink method are 1. Wash. 2. Rinse. 3. Sanitize with heat or chemical. And 4. Air dry. Food contact surfaces and utensils must be cleaned and sanitized at least every 4 hours during continuous use at room temperature. This is also required between handling different types of raw animal foods, between raw and ready-to-eat foods, before using temperature measuring devices, and any time contamination occurs. Food establishments need written procedures for responding to vomiting or diarrhea incidents. This includes isolating the affected area, using proper personal protective equipment, cleaning and sanitizing, disposing of contaminated materials, and preventing employee exposure to minimize the spread of pathogens like norovirus. Sanitizers are effective under proper conditions. Factors affecting effectiveness include water temperature and pH, water hardness, and organic matter. Sanitizers must be used at the correct concentration, for the required contact time, and according to manufacturer's instructions. Manual warewashing follows a wash, rinse, sanitize, and air dry sequence. Mechanical warewashing must reach required temperatures. Both require monitoring and routine checks. If equipment doesn't meet requirements, utensils must be rewashed and sanitized. Wiping cloths for food contact surfaces must be held in and stored at the proper sanitizer concentration between uses. Separate cloths are needed for raw animal food and ready-to-eat food areas. Wiping cloths must be clean, free from buildup, and laundered regularly. Cleaned and sanitized equipment must be stored to prevent recontamination and allowed to air dry. Utensils should be stored in a self-draining position, with handles up or oriented the same way. Food contact surfaces must be protected from splash, dust, and other contamination. Food employees must be trained to clean and sanitize correctly, use approved sanitizers, and verify concentration. Management is responsible for verifying cleaning procedures are followed and ensuring proper supplies and training are provided.